In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a post on Substack. If you've published something you no longer want on your publication, or you simply need to clean up old content, this quick guide will walk you through exactly what to do with a few helpful tips along the way. Start by opening Substack. You can do this in a desktop browser or the mobile app, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account and viewing the publication that contains the post you want to remove. It's a good idea to pause for a moment here and be certain you truly want to delete the post because removal is permanent and can't be undone. Once you're in, click Profile. You'll usually find your profile picture or initials in the top right corner on desktop or in the navigation area on mobile. Opening your profile takes you to your creator view where you can access your posts. This is the central place to manage your publication and see your content at a glance. Now, find the post you want to delete. Scroll through your list of posts and look for the exact title or thumbnail you recognize. If you have a lot of content, scanning by publish date can help. Take a moment to verify you've selected the correct post, especially if you have similar titles or multiple drafts. Remember, deleting removes the post from your publication and its public link will no longer work. When you've located the post, click on the three dots associated with that post. This is the More menu, and it's typically found to the right of the post title on desktop or within the post's card on mobile. If you don't see it immediately, hover over the post with your mouse or tap the post card once on mobile to reveal the menu. The three dots are your shortcut to additional actions. From that menu, click Delete. Substack may display a short message to help prevent accidental removals. After deletion, the post will disappear from your list, and visitors won't be able to access it on your site. If it was previously emailed to subscribers, keep in mind that any copies already delivered to inboxes are outside Substack's control, but the web version will be gone. That's all it takes. Open Substack, click Profile, find the post, use the three dots, and click Delete. Before you wrap up, it's wise to consider keeping a personal backup of important writing in a separate document so you have a record for future reference. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you tidy up your Substack with confidence and clarity.